Here we are doing Pure Mathematics Year 2 Edexcel, Chapter 2, Functions and Graphs, mixed exercise at the back. Question 17. We are given the graph f of x, and we are told we have a turning point at 4 minus 3 and also at 9, 3. Okay, and then they say to draw the graphs of this blue, pink and orange. So f of 2x plus 1. So f of 2x, the effect of 2x moves the x in, it halves the x's, so we get to what would be 2, and then the turning point would go from minus 3 and it would go plus 1, it would become minus 1. So there's the lower turning point, and that would be at 2 minus 2. The second turning point, the maximum, would be half of the 9, so that brings us to about 4.5. Okay, and then plus 1, which brings us up to here, which would be about 4.5 and 4. And ultimately, this whole thing has halved in size. So we have come in here and it has come in here, turned there, come up there, and come back down that way. Okay, something like that. The pink one, the absolute or the modulus of f of x, so that means they just want everything in the f of x to be positive. So as we come down here, that's all positive results, but then this stuff in this loop is negative, and so that would then bounce and come up and over like that, and then this one is in the positive, so that's okay, and then this one would come up. So just here we have the same turning point of 9, 3, and this one is much the same turning point, it's just that it is 4, 3, okay, rather than minus 3. Right then, what's happening with this one? F of x minus 2 and then the negative of it all. So the negative of it all, this minus at the front, means that the entire thing is going to be flipped upside down, something like that. But because it's then got this minus 2 on it, the entire thing gets moved, gets moved 2 to the left. Okay, so making my 4 a 6, my 9 an 11. So it's just shifted it along 2 to the left, meaning that my maximum here is not going to be at 4 anymore, but it's going to be at 6, and it's gone from minus 3 to plus 3, so 6, 3. And then this one isn't going to be at 9 anymore, it's going to be 9, 10, 11. And instead of it being plus 3, it's going to be negative 3. Okay. I know they said to draw them all on separate ones, but I thought I'd do it like that. Right then.